Ano pumutok agad? Grabe naman kayo, sir.
Enad, easy. Enad.
Chill.
Enad, chill. Mamatay na siya.
Main siya ng laser eh.
Puro man kayo din yan. Don't eat that laser, bro. Position still same. FFAE. Save 12, okay?
I'm 12 ah. Okay.
Okay, turn you.
Gabi, dito mo. Ito na lang. Tada!
Wait, pause.
Diba, papatok pa rin ako.
Kaya na lang namatay.
Si Enad ang napili.
Mapiling mamatay.
Gago! Titik na ako. Walang tumira, Enad.
Sure middle, okay? Sure flag. Sure. Okay, pause agad.
Ako yung nakuha ah. Ako 12 ah.
Sir. Ako yung namatay,
Uy,
gagi.
Alex.
Hindi ko na-hit. The fuck?
Wala akong alam dyan ah.
I'm focused on looking on the first ball. I didn't hit the ball, bro.
Baka kinuha ni Lee.
Wala eh.
Ay! Tama ako dun.
Labo ko rin siya. Kailangan talaga i-dodge mo ng ano. Go.
Ay, gagi. Di ako nakastop.
Di, okay lang. Saka ano yan.
Gagi, muntik na. Di ko nakapap yung mga
11 available. Never. Huwag kayo, wait.
Wait ba?
No,
Okay.
okay. Wait sana for rest, pero kala ko sobrang bilis.
Aray! Tangina mo!
Sure? Oh shit. Push. Half one. Nice. Okay, anyone open? Hope blessed, bro.
Ayun!
Purple lamp.
Ang bala hammer po,
Let's go!
Pambala
Let's
hammer.
go! Ano yung nakuha ko? Title.
Title.
Ay, nakakuha yata akong title. Nakakuha ba akong title?
Gagi.
Detail.
Report ko naman.
Okay, tara for inside, outside, I think. Rest outside.
Bad face.
Rest
Red
outside.
Mat Barb Ellis. Parang may kulang tayong buff. Archer? Hindi, meron tayong ano eh.
May haba naman tayo.
Taba nga. Ano kulang natin? Di ba dapat 5 buffs natin?
Reb sourcing lang.
Yan, okay na. Nag-rebuff
Wala
na si Enad.
tayong duelist.
Kinakalimutan to. Ay! Namatay pala, kaya pala walang buff ni Enad.
Wala tayong duelist eh.
Oo, non-duelist. Duelist yung isa.
Yung dating favorite buff. Hugis. Labe.
Hugis love. I love.
I love duelist.
Check out, bro.
Yung Warrior. Hmm. Naririnig niyo ba yung washing machine ko? Parang ang ingay na yata niya.
Di man.
Okay.
Okay, check aggro.
Uy, aray. Ako ba? Hindi naman, di ba?
Tulong.
Sisigawan kita, boy. Pagkatalon mo. Talong ko dito.
Okay. Portal.
Okay. Very good.
PDT naman!
Ay, nakailang naman.
Charot.
Ay, nabat. Nice.
Charot.
Clutch, bro.
Clat yun, clat.
Push hero skill. Recharge hero skill at 50. Purple mech. Recharge hero skill now.
Bakit takbo?
Wala akong hero skill.
Go, mag-aista ka lang. Something.
Hindi ako tayo kumaya. Shield ako.
Ready and out?
27, 87.
Okay.
Magkakaroon niya ito.
Yep, good shit.
Pasok ba ako?
Go, pasok ka. Oh, ikaw. Ikaw, head.
Gago, di ako nakapasok.
Okay, hold DPS outside. It's down. Go, DPS. Oh wait. Oh yeah, 1 DC I think. Yes, DC.
Abot kaya.
Okay.
Oh wait. I-hold. Try natin hold that straight.
Out.
Yep.
Down to 5% or
5 to 10%. If you can come back within 1 minute, then we need to go. Just to secure. Something.
ano nandyan?
Purple. Purple. Back.
Okay, ready, no? Oh, wait.
Gagi. In out call. Oh. Ikaw matay.
Gagi, inubos ko yung heal ko ay
Uy!
Puta kayo na. Gago, nag-big heal na ako. Nag-small heal pa ako. Okay, ready and out. Barb, Glad, Elestra.
Nasarado pala yan.
Nagkasara yan. Stomping, outside. Wait.
Nice. Good shit.
RB for, Stomping.
Sorry, puta.
Gilaga ba?
Mali ako na
It's
to.
okay, bro. It's okay.
Wait, hold BTS, wait. Ah, okay.
Okay na, okay na.
Okay, rest. Nakuha mo naman?
Oo yata. Oo, nakuha na ako.
Well,
Nagano?
Kaya,
Naglag ako. Mukhang pumibitaw na naman internet ko dito.
Hope so. Okay, go open. Fuck, we unlucky. Holy shit. I think we need to choose another runtime, bro. We're running, I think, for many weeks now, still no drop. Holy shit.
Maybe runtime because earlier
Yeah.
they got dropped.
Earlier, I think Striga got 3 blessed.
Oh, 3 yata.
They take full drop for today.
Oh, ay, wait. For ball pos, still the previous wait.
Yeah, Saint Ellis, and then who the fuck next?
Ava for BP5 cross. I think that's fine for now. 5 balls.
yeah. Good. It's good. 5 cross.
And then I will call someone if there's another ball coming in. Let's go.
Give me balls. Under 3 ako, no?
Go. Ika-call ko naman. I'm gonna call when someone needs to catch the ball. So no problem.
You eat the balls.
G, head not, go right side after pizza. Shit. Stop.
Nice.
Okay lang, may bigil ako. First ball me.
First ball.
RB is that's it. RB. Okay. Third shield skip.
Tumili ko sa amin, gago.
Kasi inyo agro. Go, defense, push.
Stamp. Ay, yan ang pala.
Go, hit a steal.
Easy.
Easy wall. Okay, 1 DC again. I think Rain is DC. Boost DC. Still clearable, bro. Second ball, LS. Herbs. Nice, care. Go na cure. Keep it stop. Go.
You sick.
Okay.
May virus kill ah. Okay, cure now.
Thank you so much.
Third ball. Ava.
Edad.
Go. Ano yun?
Nice.
RB after. Okay. RB for Ava. but later on I'll call you.
Rage.
Stop. Cure? Oh wait. Oh, hindi ko na-cover si ano. Simple stomp.
Patay ako.
Okay lang. Kaya.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Next ball, BP. Dito ma-clear si Enad ah. Later na lang hit. Wala akong clear. No, 1 second hit. Ice, care. RB for BP. I don't have cure, careful. Okay. Go one side. Go flag.
One side.
Adjust here, Lulo. Triple stomp. Cure, flag. Skill. Good pass.
Gita ko, gusto ko na rin sumama, sabi ni Madam.
Here's a stomp, just go DPS, I can bypass the stomp. Okay. Let's proceed next. Next one, Bruce, you can get the next one. Nice. Ice, wait. I'm gonna clear the ice. Throw stomp. Okay, go. Bye. Go. Defense. Stop. Down. Dali. Wait. Go resto.
Okay na.
Go resto pa. Nice.
Yes.
Gago yun ah.
Ano?
Siyempre, ganun talaga siya. Quick stamp yun eh.
Oh, quick stamp yun. Ang bilis
Ay.
nun.
Surprise pa the power yun din.
Surprise. Hindi ko rin nakal, sorry.